Hi everybody, I'm Johanna Basford, illustrator, ink evangelist and maker of colouring books. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to colour a beautiful sweet pea flower in my new book Ivy and the Inky Butterfly. For this tutorial you will need your copy of Ivy and the Inky Butterfly, some Ergosoft colouring pencils, I'll tell you which ones they are in the show notes, a colourless blending pencil and also some blank sheets of white office paper. The first thing I'm going to do is pop a few sheets of blank paper underneath the sheet that we're working on, and this just cushions the pencil and also captures any ink which may transfer from the sheet below. So to colour the sweet pea, what we're going to do is just apply lots of very light layers of colouring pencil and build the colour up. So I would start with your darkest pencil and do the darkest amount of colour along here and in all these little bits where the petals sort of curl in behind each other, and have it lighter as you go up to the top. So now I'm going to take my blender pencil and I'm just going to smoosh all those layers of colouring pencil together, and what that does is it softens them and takes away any of the graininess and makes them into one nicely blended colour. So it should still be darker nearest the creases of the petals, going to lighter on the outskirts. So now I'm going to use my darkest colouring pencil and just add one last bit of colour to the darkest areas to give it an impression of depth. And it's fine to leave some bits of white paper as well, just on the highlights and the tips of those petals. So there you go. There's how to colour a little sweet pea flower. There's the one that I did yesterday, and there's the one that I did just now. I hope that's given you lots of inspiration and ideas for when you come to colour all the blossoms in Ivy and the Inky Butterfly. Happy colouring, and I'll see you soon.